Hello friends, welcome back to Tazori Home. Today is a different video than you might be used to seeing on our channel, and that's because we are taking you behind the scenes as we go to tour 5 very different, very beautiful homes for our Design Within Reach series. If you're not familiar with that series on our channel, it's where we tour everyday people's homes to show you that you can create a home you love within your means. And I'm so excited. I've been virtual friends with a lot of these guests that we're having on for a while, and so I'm so excited to meet them in person and to share their homes with you. And I thought it'd be fun to show you a bit of our process and take you behind the scenes with us. So that's what we're gonna do. But first things first, we need to pack. And I'm very excited to pack today because I got the most beautiful luggage sent to me from Level 8. And this is the adventure case in Celadon is the color. I'm always borrowing my mom's carry-ons when we go traveling. And so I finally have my own carry-on. And when I got this in the mail, I literally gasped. It's so beautiful. I love the color. And more than anything, I love the way it's built and structured. It opens from the top instead of the middle. And one of the most frustrating things for me with carry-ons is when they open in the middle and then you have to open the whole thing up and it's this whole ordeal. This is just like a little doorway into your case. You can take what you want out. It's got so many nice compartments and things. It's just such a great, really well-built case. They come in all different colors. They have regular luggages and carry-ons, so you should definitely check out Level 8. I put the link in the description for you down below. And they are giving you a 10% off discount using the code TAZORI10. So if you need some luggages in your life, definitely check them out. I am so excited. Let's get packing. Ready to go. I'm gonna go get some other little things ready and I will see you in North Carolina. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So our first stop of the trip is Amanda Moore's house. You might know her on Instagram as House of Moore Design, and she is in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and she actually lives right next to this beautiful lake that we've been driving past. It's so peaceful. So excited to meet Amanda and to share her home with you.
Action.
Hello and welcome to Tazori Home. So can you tell me a bit about how that came about?
I think just from moving, that was when I moved to California. So and this couch I've had forever. About it, she was like, oh, I don't know exactly what I want to do with the house.
Hey everybody, Dominique here. So we just got done with the home tour and we're getting our B-roll footage. Me and Andrew, we're just getting tight shots to show you all the details so that you can see the fullness of Amanda's home on the tour. So here's Andrew teasing me, as per usual, filming me. I don't care because haters are my elevators.
All right, we just finished our tour with Amanda. It went so well. She has such a special home. It's so whimsical and romantic, and it was just so pretty to see in person. So I'm super excited to show you guys. But this is her outside. She's got this gorgeous view of the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's beautiful weather, and we're gonna go explore a little bit of Asheville in a bit. Did you have fun, Amanda?
I did have fun.
Good. Job well done, team. We've become pretty efficient with these.
Yeah.
How many home tours have we done now?
It's gotta be at least 10.
Each time we learn more and more and get more efficient, and it's easier and more fun. Anyways, so now we're gonna go back to the hotel, change into something comfy, and get something to eat and explore Asheville. So, peace. Getting like a shower in here. Spencer's in the wild.
This is even this part.
This might be one of the best ice creams I've ever had. Oh my Lanta. Good morning. We are on our way to Winston-Salem to film our second home tour of the trip, and that is with Margot Roth. You might know her on Instagram as It's Margot Roth. Her home is like truly something out of the English countryside, like out of a storybook. It's Pride and Prejudice vibes mixed with Little Women, really like Little Women vibes. And she has the most beautiful garden. And I'm so excited to meet Margot and to share her home with you. We will see you at Margot's house.
All right.
I can never live without you by my side.
Go. I'm doing a stand-up.
I'm doing a stand-up.
Yeah.
But now.
Hey everybody, we are at Margot's house. We're about to start the tour. We just got all our wide shots, our B-roll, and now we're gonna be doing a tour segment of everything. So come along. Come on.
Everyday people's homes to show you that you can create a home you love within your means.
I'm always switching things out, so I'm always collecting, I'm always thrifting, I'm always looking for pieces that are heirloom quality that then you can hand down to your kids. This is so good.
Okay, so Margot just made this cake and it is out of this world. What do you say?
Thank you.
I meant to say, what do you think? It is so good. We're taking a little break because her husband and beautiful little daughter got back, and then we're gonna film the nursery and the garden. You guys are gonna love this home. Thank you.
I'm just like, this is our puppy. It makes noise.
To life. I was
Fine.
like, oh, so.
She's obsessed with stuffed animals.
Getting all of the different types of chickens and like all of the different colors that lay the different colors of eggs.
Okay, so we're done with the tour and it went amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see this one. I love it. It's literally like a storybook. Now we're doing our close-up shots. Andrew's here. Let's finish this up. I'm so excited for this tour.
All right, that is a wrap on Margot's home tour, and that was so much fun.
Oh yeah.
I could have stayed there like all day talking with Margot and her husband. They're so sweet, but we do have a 7.5-hour drive ahead of us. We're going to Tennessee for our next home tour.
I can't do it! Let me out!
So wish us luck, but you guys are gonna love Margot and her home. It's literally, it's heavenly. See you in Tennessee. Good morning. We woke up in Lewisburg, Tennessee. We are staying in the guest house of our next guest that we're touring her home, Alexis Negronti, and she lives on the most beautiful property here in Tennessee. It's so peaceful. The birds are chirping so loud, and she has the most beautiful home, and her guest house is so beautiful too. So excited to share Alexis and her home with you. All right, we are dressed and ready to tour Alexis's home. Here's a little peek in her guest house, her little farm out there. It is so cute. Aren't you loving it? We like obviously messed up the kitchen and things like that, but she left us little snacks and water bottles, and great hosts, 10 out of 10. Peaceful area in the country. She's got a beautiful farm and garden and home, and she has done such a beautiful job.
We eat dinner here most nights a week, and then a couple nights a week we eat in the dining room, but it's always in the kitchen.
We just finished filming at Alexis's house right there. And I'm so excited to show you her home. She described her style as Parisian cowboy. Could not be a more perfect term. I'm obsessed with her home and her space, and you will be too. We're gonna go out and grab some food for lunch, and then we're gonna go on a buggy ride around the property and then come back for dinner. So excited. Wow, that's great service. Having fun? Hey! You're big! Oh my goodness. Good morning. We had the sweetest night last night. We took the buggy out to cruise the farm here at Alexis and Wade's home. We saw the cows, the kids were with us, and it was just such a fun time, so peaceful. And then they had us for the most delicious dinner, which I didn't get footage of, but I'll put a picture here. Oh my goodness, Alexis's cooking skills are so good. She made short ribs over sweet mashed potatoes with grilled vegetables over a pesto and ricotta spread, and it was so delicious. So thankful to Alexis and Wade for having us. Make sure to follow Alexis on Instagram. Everything she shares is so beautiful. So this morning we are driving to Alabama to go tour Hannah Winter's home. You might know her on Instagram as Hannah Winter's Art. She's an artist in Birmingham, Alabama. Her work is incredible and her home is gorgeous. And Hannah and I have been friends over Instagram for a couple years now. We had her inside of our membership for a live call. This will be our first time meeting in person, so I'm so excited. And then we're gonna explore Birmingham because there's a lot to see there. I just yelled at them for coming out and being so loud, so they're trying to be careful.
I love Forest Rank.
High Christine.
Oh. We're out here at Hannah Winter's house. Not sure if Bridget gave you the 411. We're at our second to last home tour of the trip. How you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling very pregnant, feeling excited.
Hey, on TV, welcome to my crib. Come on in.
You should, that would be amazing. Okay, are you filming?
And obviously the unlacquered brass everywhere was where we put our money into as well.
Okay, so we just got done with the home tour. We're about to move into the interview portion of things. And then we'll get our type B-roll and then we'll be done. Can't wait for you guys to see this home. It's so much fun. Her art room is literally a dream.
All right, our fourth home tour is down. We had such a nice time with Hannah, and we met her mom and her beautiful son Towns. It was just such a life-giving time. Like, Hannah is the sweetest person. She has such an incredible story and testimony, and she's sharing that in our home tour, and just such a genuine person with such a sweet heart. I'm so excited for you guys to meet her in this tour. We are going to a restaurant called Luca that Hannah recommended, an Italian restaurant in Homewood, and then we're gonna go explore a town called Mountain Brook, which apparently is a really beautiful town here near Birmingham. So it's a beautiful day again, and happy to be taking you along. You found the baby store. We are back at the guest house, and I am just feeling so thankful for this trip. It's our last night here, and tomorrow we have one last home tour with Elliot, and then we go back home, and I am just so in awe of God. He is so faithful. I just remember a couple years ago, like, doing something like this felt like such a pipe dream. I fully believed we would get there, but it still was like something that only lived in my mind. And now to be able to go and tour these wonderful people's homes and get to know them and create friendships and help inspire others and make an impact. It's truly such a gift, and I don't take it for granted. And I know it's only because of the Lord. Like, Andrew and I have been looking at each other on this trip and we're like, how are we doing this right now? Like, God has been so faithful in opening doors, and I just want to encourage you that if you have a dream and something that you feel really called to persist in it, you know, and to not give up and to not lose heart when things get hard. You don't get good things quickly. Good things take time. Home takes time. I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful, and I'm really excited for what's to come because it's just the beginning. So one last tour tomorrow and then we're back home. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It is our last day here in Tennessee, and we just packed up the car and are getting ready to head to Nashville for our last home tour, and then we fly out tonight. I think the thing I will miss most is coming outside and sitting on the rocking chair and reading and just hearing all the birds chirping so loud, and the view. It's just so peaceful. So it's been such a blessing being here. Thank you, Alexis, and we will see you in Nashville.
Rangers, bring it in. Andrew.
Come on, Andrew, don't resist.
Andrew.
You know you want to.
I can see your arm. It wants to.
Bring it. Beautiful farm. See you next time. Look good, Dominic?
Yeah, you look pretty. We're about to film the intro at Elle's house.
Hello and welcome to Tesori Home. I forgot what I was doing for a second.
But yeah.
Yeah, I love the...
Okay, so we just got done with the home tour. We're going into the interview. I can't wait for this video to come out because Ella is just like the sweetest and just one of the most creative people ever. So let's get to the interview portion. I gotta go set up my camera.
How was the tour? What'd you think?
The tour, it was the tour guide. No, the tour guide.
Cut!
Oh, God. It was great. It was amazing because I just had some lovely people to work with. So,
Aw.
yeah.
You made it easy. It's gonna be a good one. What'd you guys think? Andrew just said that this, he was like, oh, Al, this reminds me of the alien from, or that creature from Star Wars, and she got really upset.
Show the picture. You need to show
Yeah,
the
wait, I'll put the picture here so you can see what he said. But Dominique,
It's a boy's mind.
so they're just getting some detail shots. Dominique is telling Andrew all the shots to get because she wrote down some notes.
directing him.
She loves being in charge of
I'm
Andrew.
the creative director.
I was in charge of it all.
This was the perfect one to end on. It was so fun.
I told her to say that.